some bad weather out here today. My goodness. Mamma Mia here today, guys. And I'm at a park, really nice park here, but it's just really bad weather. This is the Pacific Northwest, and boy, we've got our rainy season. As you can see, it's just a beautiful area, but it's really wet and nasty. Whew. Boy, and it makes it sometimes really difficult to drive in this type of weather too. Wow. Kind of cold too out here. They got a beautiful pavilion here that you can sit down in a large group and have a really nice picnic. I don't know if you'd want to do that today though. It's cold and it's raining. And if you've been watching the news lately, well, our area's kind of had a lot of flooding, so it's not the best weather to be doing picnics. Anyway, one of the things I wanted to talk to you today about is about driving around in your car, and nothing worse than foggy windows. Boy, something about foggy windows I just hate. But I got a small hack for you on those foggy windows. So let me get back in the car here. It's pretty nippy out there. So what I like to do is once a week, I have like a little spray bottle here, and I put about 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, just plain old cheap white vinegar, and then I fill up the bottle with water, and then shake it up pretty good, and I go around and I'll spray the inside of my windows, just spray them like that, you know. And then I take a little towel and I just wipe them downward, just like that, and let it dry. And so that will keep your windows from fogging up. And it works for about a week, and then you have to redo it again. But I mean, it's cheap, it's easy, it's quick. So, you know, and it smells pretty good too. You know, when you're living in your car, you know, it's, you get all these smells and stuff, laundry, you know, and then your, you know, food and stuff. So it kind of helps with the smell too. And then I just take the little towel, and if you can notice up here, hopefully I can get that up here. You notice that these little things here, I have that little cord that runs around the perimeter of my van. And then so afterwards, after I just take a little spot and hang it up and let it dry, and so it works great. And then the next time I just redo the same thing over again. So you guys, if you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway, thank you very much, and have a nice, wonderful day. Bye now.